In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can dash with your fist here in Rivals. Before we do get to this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, unlike the Scythe, the Fists don't have like a dedicated dash ability. Instead, they rely on movement mechanics and momentum to quickly move throughout the map itself. One advantage of using the Fist is that they do give you 5%, movement speed boost, which will help you move faster with movement tech. To mimic a dash with the Fist, you just want to use the slide and double jump combo. It really is a simple combo. It doesn't take that much time to get used to and master. On PC, you just have to hold shift to sprint and then press control to slide, followed by space to jump and then space again to jump right after. It really is super simple. On mobile, just hold your movement joystick forward, tap slide, and then quickly tap jump twice. The momentum from the slide will carry into the double jump, launching your character forward so much faster than normal running. This is currently one of the fastest ways to move using your fist. There's also a popular trick known as tile launch or physics launch, and on certain maps like Sandstorm or Construction, you could slide into stacked tiles or slanted objects while holding your fist, and the speed bonus from the fist combined with the slide momentum can launch you across the map. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.